Rotations in geometry. Spin it to understand it. Hello, learners. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of geometry. We'll be covering a crucial concept known as rotations. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of this geometric transformation and how it works. So, let's spin right into it. A rotation is a transformation that turns a figure around a fixed point called the center of rotation. Imagine placing a pin on a point in a paper, and then turning or spinning the paper. That's the basic idea behind rotations. Degree of rotation. How much you turn the figure. It can be 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and so on. Direction. Rotations can be clockwise, like the hands of a clock, or counterclockwise, opposite to the clock hands. Preserve lengths. When you rotate a shape, the lengths of its sides remain unchanged. Preserve angles. The angles also stay the same during a rotation. Orientation. The orientation of the figure can change, especially when it's rotated less than 180 degrees. It's essential to understand that even though the figure's position changes, its shape and size do not. Finding the center of rotation can sometimes be like solving a puzzle. Here are some tips. 1. Look for corresponding points in the original and rotated figures. 2. Draw lines connecting these corresponding points. 3. The point where these lines intersect is your center of rotation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more figures you rotate and explore, the more intuitive finding this center becomes. In the coordinate plane, we often rotate figures around the origin. But the principles remain the same. 90 degrees counterclockwise. The point, x, y, becomes y, x. 180 degrees rotation. The point, x, y, becomes x, y. 270 degrees counterclockwise. The point, x, y, becomes y, x. These are handy shortcuts to remember when working with rotations on graphs. And there you have it, the dynamic concept of rotations in geometry. We've spun around this topic, explored its properties, and even ventured into the coordinate plane. We hope you found this enlightening. Always remember, geometry is not just about shapes and figures. It's about understanding the transformations behind them. Keep practicing, and soon rotations will feel as natural as turning a door handle. Happy learning!